Welcome to Holman Lexus YouTube channel. Today we have the new 2018 Lexus LS 500. We're going to be talking about a few things that changed on the navigation system. For example, we have the destination menu right here on the left side. The little pin is your now destination menu. You will click on it. You will have your destination menu now located on the left side, right on the top right corner. That little house with the pin, that is your go home button. If we will exit that out, we will also have the go home button located on the right side as well. Whenever you click anything here or you type in an address, the three buttons on the right side will disappear. We also have the same menu as we had on 2017. The only thing changes here is how to expand your screen. Now if you want to make the screen full again, all you have to do is just scroll down to the icon all the way on the bottom, and clicking on that will fully extend your screen again. That was a quick tutorial of the new Lexus LS 500 navigation system. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week with our newest video. Thank you and have a great day.